How to use Slack complete tutorial for beginners. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Slack. You can create a workspace by yourself, or simply if someone adds your email, you'll simply be logged in to the channel in this way. From here, you'll find home. In DMs, you'll find direct messages and activity. It will show you all your mentions, activities. And then if you click more, simply you'll find all the settings. In here, you'll find different channels. On top, you'll also find threads if you've not caught up to, drafts and sends. And this way you can simply use Slack. This is how to use Slack complete tutorial for beginners. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.